In this problem, blood is accelerated from rest to 30 centimeters per second in a distance of 1.8 centimeters by the left ventricle of the heart. Make a sketch of the situation. List the knowns in the problem. How long does the acceleration take? Alright, so we'll just say this is the blood and it's accelerating. So its initial velocity is 0 meters per second and it accelerates to 30 centimeters per second, 0 centimeters per second, over a distance of 1.8 centimeters. Okay, so how long does the acceleration take? So time is what we want to find, but we are given the distance over which this acceleration happens. So you can use this equation. The final velocity square is the initial velocity square plus 2a times the distance over which the acceleration happens. So using this equation, we'll solve for the acceleration and then we'll solve for time. Okay. So acceleration is v square minus v naught square divided by 2 delta x. The initial velocity is 0, so acceleration is 30 centimeters per second square minus 0 divided by 2 into 1.8 centimeters. And that's equal to 30 squared divided by 3. So 250 centimeters per second square. That's the acceleration. And now we'll use this equation to calculate the time over which this acceleration happens. V minus V naught divided by A, which is 30 minus 0 centimeters per second divided by 250 centimeters per second square. Okay, so 30 divided by 250. So 0.12 seconds. Is this answer reasonable compared? So now the question is this answer reasonable compared to? So this is the time to get the blood out of your left ventricle. Okay, so let's say human heart beats about 70 times a minute, which is once per second. So that's reasonable. So to get the blood out of one chamber, and anyway, so reasonable.